Essay my hobby. Before start essay, leave here some space and then start from here. My hobby is gardening. I like it very much. There is a garden in my house. I work daily on the plants and look after my garden. I am very fond of roses. Fond mean शौकीन होना. I have bought different kinds of roses and plants for my garden. Now next paragraph. Again space. Gardening gives me a good exercise. I water plants and do other necessary things. Gardening gives me real joy and satisfaction of heart and mind. Satisfaction means sukoon. When I am working in my garden, I can hear singing of birds, or we can say I can hear chirping of birds in the trees. It takes me close to nature. ये हमें नेचर के करीब, कुदरत के करीब कर देता है. It takes me close to nature, plants, trees and earth. I feel the freshness of things in my garden. To me, gardening is a good hobby. It seems much more beautiful to see plants, flowers and trees growing new leaves. प्लांट्स और ट्रीज पर और फ्लावर्स पर नए पत्ते लगते हुए देखना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आई फील मच हैप्पी एंड एंजॉय माई हॉबी ऑल द टाइम एंड आई लाइक इट.